Hello everyone, my name is Ayanna. Today my presentation is about threats of the internet. The table of contents covers all the material mentioned in this presentation. For instance, I'll start off by introducing the Service Learning Institute and its purpose. From there, I will cover the definition of a threat and a network. After that, I will discuss why knowing about internet threats is valuable. Then in more detail, I will talk about specific threats that affect us, like malware, DOS attacks, and evasions. To begin, I want to bring up the Service Learning Institute. This program is intended for Detroit Mercy students to give back to the community by service projects. The service opportunities vary from hands-on activities to raising awareness. Two main components of the Service Learning Institute include Serving to Learn and Motivated Serving. Part of my service for this program includes promoting internet threat education. For this presentation, a threat will be defined as a danger that could affect data over a network. So now you might wonder what a network is. A network is the electronic connection of data from devices like a computer, tablet, or even a phone. During this time, I want to bring up 3 reasons to why it is important to know about internet threats. One main reason is that not many people are aware of internet threats. Another main reason is that these threats can potentially ruin your life in financial ways, personal relations, and even be career damaging. The third way includes how quickly a threat can hurt data or even a person. This slide demonstrates categories which represent the dangers or threats on the internet. Each highlighted word will be further explained. So what is malware? Malware is known as malicious software or code. The code or software used can damage or steal special information stored in networks. So what are worms? A worm is a type of threat that is classified as malware. This kind of malware spreads quicker than a virus. It also creates unknown backdoors to continue spreading. They can come from a file or some type of email attachment. Next up, we have network attacks, which are also threats. A network attack comes from payload. This payload comes from the malware inserted. Network attacks can have jobs which include gathering information, disrupting networks, and can also gain access without permission from a user. A type of attack that will be discussed today is a DOS attack. This kind of attack can make a network act slow. It will also make things load slowly and interrupt processes for a user to continue working. As you can see in this picture, the man in a black hat is sending out disruptances to the internet network, which is making this lady's website load very slowly. An evasion also falls under the category of threats. It is also known as a method of hiding attacks. An evasion will prevent security from seeing or detecting the attack. For example, a firewall that isn't as strong can blindly let its threats in. In this presentation, we will only focus on one evasion method, which is traffic fragmentation. This kind of evasion method breaks down the payload into smaller units. In doing this, the threat is less noticeable, so it easily enters the computer or network. After the threat is let in, the pieces come together to begin its function. For example, in this photo, you see packet fragmentation where payload is being hidden. This slide contains references to all the information provided in today's presentation. And here's an email provided where you can reach out for any concerns or input that you may have. There is also a website link which can also provide further information relating to the Center for Cybersecurity and Intelligence.